Back to the charts for Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Bitcoin is approaching the danger zone to the upside, where price could reverse from. And we're also going to take a look at the pump on AVAX. Let's look at the chart. So Bitcoin is approaching the unrecovered volume count zone at around 36.7k up to 40k. We had a spike up to 36k, almost to 36k, and we're steadily climbing to the upside. And I think when we do a double top formation of some kind, that is where price will reverse. Currently we're not seeing that yet. We need to see a clear structure, and we don't do that, so I think we have a couple of pumps left before we get to this volume count zone. We'll see if we recover all of it, but 40k could be the target, or at least 36.8k or 7k, around that area. And we'll probably stall there, go sideways, create a double top formation, and then price will reverse in 3 steps according to the market make structure. We went up in 3 steps, as you can see, W bottom, first leg up, second leg up, third leg up, and we will do the opposite then. Double top formation, first leg down, second leg down, third and final leg down, double bottom formation. That process repeats again. To the downside, however, be very careful. We have a lot of volume counts that hasn't been recovered. As you can see, this big one to the downside all the way down to 29k, 29.9k. We have one at 28.7, 27, yeah, all the way down basically to 25k, and even lower, all the way down to 20.3k. Is where we have big volume candles, and I don't want to speak about 17k because there's a long way to go. But that's the general idea. I do think we could have another pump. I don't see a big drop yet. We need to create a double top formation first, in my opinion. Not financial advice. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Looking at news events for this week, we don't have much going on. We have Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow, and other than that, yeah, unemployment claims could be a big one if it shocks the market, but I do think will be around 218,000, 218,000, unemployed. Will be around that area possibly, and other than that, could shock the market and send it downward or upward. But generally a slow week, which is good for the markets. It can move freely. And the liquidation map doesn't look great actually. We have more money residing to the downside than to the upside. Big cluster here at 24k. And yeah, as you can see, more money is present to the downside, liquidating longs. Everybody thinks the bull market is on, and that is where price could reverse. So the market maker has been building his markup phase pretty nicely. We're waiting for the double top before we make sense of this and play to the downside. And yeah, make of this what you want. Now let's take a look at AVAX. Wow, what a pump for AVAX. In my last day trading update, I said to you that we need to break this high right here to call it a double bottom formation and play it to the upside. We are broken out of it. Wow, ever since we broke out of it, we have pumped, I would say, 10% in the last 4 days. Pretty interesting information for us, right? We have retested the double bottom formation when we went down here. As you can see, we went above it at $12.32, went below it and we holded this area, and currently we're breaking out of it. As you can see, we were in a pretty nasty markdown phase by the market maker. We had a double top formation in the last bull run. First leg down, second leg down, third leg down, and that is where we created this double bottom formation, which is a signal that a reversal is about to happen, possibly. And so we are expecting the first leg to the upside could go to $14.6, but we could go to this volume candle right here at around $16.8, and that is where we could top out in the first leg up. and we will have a reversal to downside. AVAX is pretty volatile, so I do think we'll recover some of these volume candles on the weekly time frame, which is created all the way down to $11.2. After that, we'll have another leg to the upside, and the next target to the upside is to these volume candles right here, and to $21, sorry. And then we'll have the last and final leg to the upside, possibly up to $30. We have a volume candle up all the way to $52, but I don't know if it will get that volatile in the next move up. We'll wait and see. But currently, great opportunity to go long if you are interested in that. Not financial advice. It is just a theory. You do whatever you want to do. But I see a clear double bottom formation. I mean, picture clear. And make of this what you want. This is Big Boss Crypto. Have a good one. Big Boss out.